a sec, guys. Alright. How do I get this? It says it's unlisted. It's really weird. Okay. I gotta get the live stream link. Hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta get the live stream link so I can post on social medias. I don't even know if people are gonna get notified because I made this stream as unlisted. Oh, okay. I think people should be able
My
to
tires look...
Oh, no, that's an ad. Alright. Yeah, I have no idea if people are gonna get notified of this, but... We will see, I guess. So yeah, give me 1 second, guys. Just cleaning something on my keyboard. Then I gotta post this on social media. So, alright, so we're gonna post on Discord. It's easy. And then we'll do Twitter. Yeah, I think I might have royally messed up here because I'm pretty sure when you make a stream go from unlisted to public, people are not gonna know. I could be wrong. But yeah, let me know, guys, if you got a notification for the stream because when I made it, it was unlisted. Then I had to make it public, so I'm debating whether I should restart the stream, but I do see someone here, so I think I'm just gonna leave it be. Hey guys, we're currently live working on some PlayFab Unreal Engine stuff. You can check us out here. This is just me putting on Twitter right now. Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah, I think that was definitely a mistake of not making this public at first. Yeah, that's gonna be weird. This might be a rough stream. Hashtag Unreal Engine, hashtag UE4, hashtag PlayFab, hashtag Azure, hashtag multiplayer, hashtag game dev. Don't really know what else there is to do. Should I end the stream? Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. Should we end the stream? I'll keep it up. I'll just learn for the future from now on, just to not do that. In the meantime, I'll turn on the AC. Where is... Oh man, come on. Give me 1 second. We're good. Yeah, I think I might restart the stream. Oh, someone already liked it. Game dev every 20 minutes, salty dogs bought. Okay. Oh, we got someone here. Okay. hello to the one and only viewer. Just a quick question. Did you get here from an external link or were you notified by YouTube? Because I started the stream as unlisted and then I made it public. So I don't know if people are getting the notification. Oh, that person left. Okay. So that's kind of a rip. Beast, thank you. Actually, Beast, I have a question for you. Did you get a notification of this? Because this stream, I started out as unlisted by accident, and then I made it public. I don't think people are going to get notified. I think you just came here from Discord, but I could be wrong. Okay. In the meantime, so I guess something I want to do this stream. I was just waiting. Okay. Oh, so you were here for a bit then. Maybe you did get notified. Maybe people are just... It was Sunday afternoon. No, you didn't get a notification. That's probably why then. Yeah, we'll keep going. This is the EOS now. I want to do the PlayFab one. Okay, so in this stream... Oh, by the way, as you can see, Beast, I did get writer. Alright, thank you, Beast. I appreciate it. I did get it, but I won't be using it this stream. I'm gonna do it like off stream. I kind of want to experiment with it off stream first. Thank you, Beast. I really appreciate it. So in this stream, I'm just gonna do more PlayFab stuff. My approach is gonna be way different. Hello, Wawooks. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Appreciate. You guys let me know. All right, so I'm going to Windows PowerShell. That's a new folder. Okay, so last time, sup Kai, good to see you. So last time, in the last live stream, which was a while ago, apologies for that, power was out due to a random hurricane, but I got it back, so we're all good now. All fine, nothing happened. I think just some trees fell. There wasn't really much flooding, so it was overall fine. But yeah, last live stream, we added the package to GSDK, but I think the guy from the last stream gave me a suggestion to make my own plugin, so that's probably exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to make like the most basic ones that kind of just add the DLL and lib files to a project, and I think that's kind of all I need. So let's just make GSDK. In the meantime, yeah, I might as well get some documentation up as well. Oh, peace. You know that's what I got right now. You know, we restocked on some milk, you know. Okay, where were we in the documentation, though? That's the real question. Quick starts. This one. It was this one. Okay, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. So, make a new folder. So, I'm just copying the structure of some random plugins that I made, like, in the past. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Choco or white? It's white. It's white, Kai. Bonus points if you can guess the source of the milk. You know, did it come from a cow, another animal, or a non-animal? I'll be very, very impressed if you can get it. Okay. So I'm gonna add this. So a while ago I made a plugin for Epic Online Services just so that you can like include header files and stuff from it. Obviously I didn't end up going through with it, but I'm gonna try to translate that for PlayFab. And there's gonna be some other differences that... Can you show internet speed? Sure. I want to be a little careful though, breaking news, because I don't want to show my address. It's really fast. I'll say that. So I'm gonna run this off screen, make sure it doesn't show my address. I'm doing this off screen right now, just to make sure, Beast, because you might be right. It says my server's in New York. I mean, it's good. I mean, it says server in New York. I don't know. I'm not really. I can show you guys the result. Just want to make sure my IP isn't like anywhere else. Yeah, so here you guys go. God, I'm really sorry to hear that, man. That's not what we want to hear. But yeah, download, upload. It's actually really weird how the download is significantly faster than upload. Like significantly. But yeah, it's pretty good. And I'm sorry, Kai. Sorry to hear that, Kai. I mean, I remember once back in the old days when we had like landline internet, when you couldn't like make a phone call if you were using the internet at the same time. I remember my internet speed was like around that. It was like less than a megabyte or megabit per second. It was really bad. Beast, why are you saying bruh? Is it because I showed it, or is it because it's really fast? I know people who can get a gigabit or gigabyte. We're gonna edit this soon. That's the script. That's my notes. How do you get fast internet? Beast, hardwired internet or Ethernet connection. Plug your computer directly to the router. Don't use Wi-Fi. Use direct internet speed. My area is kind of urban in Malaysia. That's rough. Yeah, urban's internet. So urban internet speeds. It really depends. If you live like right near a cell phone tower, you will get really fast internet speeds. The problem is most people don't. Because I lived in a city as well, a very densely populated city, and yeah, my internet was really bad as well. That's actually when I had the landline internet as well. That was a while ago though, over a decade now actually. I was really young during those days. Didn't really understand computers in general. Okay, so I need the DLL and blip files. So this is the GSDK. This is the build native. So do I need these include? Yeah, I probably will need that include file. So we got this. Okay. And it's gonna look like really weird right now, just cause like kind of figuring out the plugin structure myself. Okay. GSDK. And then in here we'll have bin lib. I could put the include files as well. Do I need a lib folder here? And I'll use the release stuff. For me, even if I use Ethernet only at midnight, it will be that's really weird. That's a wide range too, Kai. I'm very surprised. Oh wait, no, you 450. That's still low. That's really low. Breaking news: I'm thinking about a new PC build, so I need help. That which part of PC we need build strong, so I build Visual Studio Code faster. Breaking news: you have to focus specifically on RAM and your CPU. Those are going to be your two components for that. Obviously, if you're a graphics guy and you're really into art, then yeah, your GPU needs to be really good too. But yeah. Why is that the... God, that's really interesting. Do you live like really far from your neighbor, or are you like right next to your neighbor? And so he did this. Start a module. So he added all this stuff. Did you know that VS Code's code is on GitHub? I did know that, beast. It's really nice. So he had libcurl, he had a GSDK CPP Windows. Okay. Okay, this is stuff from the engine. Legit right next. That's really weird, Kai. I wonder if you guys have the same internet service providers. I don't even know if like that's how it works. Maybe you guys only have one. Or maybe you guys have so many that we can't even count on our hands. Alright, so he added libcurl. Okay. I guess he really just added all of these. I don't think I need the PDB file. But that might help with logs though, but... So wait, did I put... Okay, so DLL, so we'll put DLL in here. Or no, wait, yes, DLL in here, in the bin folder, so I'm just gonna copy all the DLL files, paste them here. Wait, does he do release? Okay, he does dynamic for everything. I don't even know the difference. Dynamic versus static. I don't even know the difference. Okay. I don't know if that really applies to us, but... That I can't confirm, but the provider I'm using have two services, I see. So you got like, it can help, Beast. It can help you with. It only helps you with logs, but I don't think really we need it. But Kai, that's interesting. Stream YX. We all gotta get on Stream YX. So is that some DLLs? Okay. No. So every time I don't know why, at the beginning of each of these streams, I'm like really tired at the very beginning, but then by the end, I'm like super awake. I hate when that happens. Alright, so that was DLL. Now I need the libs. Yeah, I don't really know static versus dynamic, I guess. I'm gonna go to this link. I guess this is okay. I don't get the difference. So they're just bigger. Oh wait, no, there's okay, lib files. Nope. Dynamic. Okay, so one's linked at runtime, the other's linked at compile time. Or statically linked. Yeah, I think that's what it means. Yeah, who knows. I don't know. Okay, let's just go back. So I gotta copy all the lib files I need. So is it just these two? I don't really see much else. Okay, so they got DLL. Let me just make sure I have all these DLL and lib files that they used from the GSDK. Because they, oh, excuse me, guys. Because they do add some DLL files from the engine, but I'm not going to look into that just right now. And we might not even need to do that, so what am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm just looking. So we got the two lib files. They added twice, so that's really weird. And then the 3DLL files. Sup, N1, how you doing? Okay, so that should be good for a third party. I don't know if I want to include the header files in here though. Let me see what the. I actually want to kind of see what the GameLift SDK does. Because I'm thinking I'm gonna try to mimic that. Honestly, I don't really have anything else. I mean, there's a lot of ways to do it, to be honest. They do third party and Win64. I might do that. Bin lib. SSL. Yeah, I'm just trying to make a plugin for this PlayFab stuff, because last stream I tried following this thing and it didn't work. So we're just gonna move everything to a plugin. And it's gonna be like very basic too. Do I need the include files? I'll add them, why not? I might even change the structure if I don't even like it, like on my own time or something. But for now, I think it's fine. It's just one file. Okay, that's easy. Okay, so then now you do this. Third party source. Okay, and then we'll add just some random stuff here. I'm not gonna copy that one. I'm gonna copy. What is what Beast said? Beast is saying what? Okay. Got mainly everything, I think. Okay. Let's build the let's do this file first. The U plugin file. No. One. I don't even know. I'm just gonna do Win64 for now. I don't really know. And then this doesn't rely on anything else, so. Okay, that's easy. What is libSSL? That's a great question. What is libSSL? libSSL is the portion of OpenSSL which supports TLS, SSL, and TLS protocols, and depends on libcrypto. This is a C API. It's like, that's it. That's a very small wiki page. Alright. I hope that answered your question. I'm not really too sure myself, to be honest. Beast. It's a good question. Oh, and I gotta rename this file too. This one we'll rename GSDK. Oh, no. I didn't want to open in Visual Studio. We can open in Visual Studio, why not? It just takes longer. Visual Studio just takes so long to load sometimes. It's kind of annoying, to be honest. I don't really know. I'm gonna do that off stream. Update Visual Studio. Let me see what first let me say this. I want to see what the GameLift tutorial or GameLift server SDK, what did that depend on? Cause I'm not really sure. I don't really know what this needs to be, what this is dependent on, to be honest. They just did core and projects. I mean, that literally might be all I need, to be honest. Just done a huge commit that was like 4 days of work. I don't know why. Beast, you gotta... Big tip. I always recommend small commits. Gotta do small. Because you don't know if that big commit even works sometimes. Also, when you go back, if later down the road you find out something's wrong, if you do small commits, you can better deduce like what could have caused that error later on, but it's all good. No, Beast. Light theme is the way to go. I think my life objective will be to bring us back to light theme. What do you think of that, Beast? What do you think of the light theme? I'm gonna do with... What did he do in this? He did if UE server. I'll do with GSDK. Beast, one day you will appreciate light theme. I don't even know. I'm just trolling. There's no difference. I don't think this depends on the end. Oh, I'll figure it out. PCH usage. Yes. I don't have B enable exceptions. I don't really know what this does. I'll figure it out later. B has, okay. Third party. Yes. And then I'm only doing Windows for now, because I really don't know. I mean, it's DLL and lib files. I don't know if it will work, honestly, for Linux. Okay, so include. Yep, that's fine. All right, this is the big one. So let's do the runtime dependencies first. So we got. So we got. A lot. We got a few here. I mean, it's not that much. I was using light theme for a week, but Visual Studio Assist was not liking that, that's why I used dark theme. Really? Visual Studio Assist? Why is it not like light theme? Guys, in the chat, comment down what you use, light or dark theme. I'm very curious. We're going to do an unofficial poll real quickly. It's really unofficial. What am I doing? Guys, I'm lost right now. I'm lost in the sauce. Oh. Okay, here am I. Lib curl. This is what happens when you have too many windows open. Everyone's using dark theme. Oh, hey, Talis, how you doing? I saw your comment. I responded a little late. I don't know if you ever got that fixed. Everyone said dark. But guys, here's the thing with dark theme. And you know what? We're going to do research on this because I read somewhere. I don't know if it was an article or a forum post. But it said that dark theme was actually not good for your eyes. Is dark theme bad for your eyes? Dark themes can put more strain on your eyes in highlight conditions since it washes out the text. 100% contrast is typically harder to read and may cause more eye strain. Alright, I'm doing it just for the stream. But the tutorials... I'm curious then, guys. When you watch videos, like, if there's a light background, do you just not watch it? Because I don't want to use dark theme for the videos, too. And I'm only going to do it for Visual Studio. I'm not going to do it for Google. I think that might be a little bit of a stretch. All right, we are currently changing to dark theme. Did I do the right one? You did reply to it. Talos, now I have to go back. See, YouTube is really weird with their notification system, because I didn't get a notification that you replied back. Okay, where is it? This isn't... I'm just going to this link. Oh my goodness. Alright, file edit, choose tools, options. Oh, I am in environment. General. Oh, I was literally right here. Wait, I was in blue. I wasn't even in light. Whoa! It literally just undid it. Did anyone see that? Wait, then what is light theme then? Alright, let me check the comment first. That's a little important. I actually didn't get a notification for those. You did reply to it. Oh, what just happened? I just heard something. So then here's the question. I'm wondering, like, if I do dark theme on my videos, then wouldn't that hurt your eyes more? Because I feel like with the videos, you're gonna have contrast anyway. Like when I go back to Chrome, unless I change this to dark theme too, but there's gonna be other things I open, like the Visual Studio installer, which is also gonna be light theme. I don't know. That makes sense. So I wasn't even using light theme the whole time. I was using blue theme. All right. No need to say sorry. So that you thank you for taking this. I probably have something wrong because the table is not keeping the matchmaking in the database. Oh, Talus. Make sure you have enough instances, enough active instances in your fleet. And also, since I noticed you're on part 7, so in part 8 is where we do the server logic to actually terminate game sessions so that you can, so that instances are open up to host new ones. What could also be happening is maybe you already have a game session. And since I think in that tutorial at the time there's only one server process, or sorry, one instance running with one server process on it, maybe you just ran out of server processes that you can host. Because the server process is already hosting a game session, maybe you just ran out of server processes on that instance. So that could be one thing. Or you just don't have any instances at all. So like towards the end of the tutorial, I try to mention like, hey, in the next part, we're actually going to deal with like terminating the game session so that server processes can be reused to host new game sessions. But if you're still on part 7 and still want like a new game session, you can always terminate and restart the fleet. But so should I do video? But see, like this is where I'm curious. So I'm gonna do this off stream because I could have sworn I was watching Traversing Media one day. He's a great tutorial YouTube channel, by the way. He does like web-based projects. I could have sworn I was watching videos where they were using Light Theme. But see, now it's like, oh, where am I typing? But now it's like weird because now I think Traversing Media, like the guy who owns the channel, is trying to like expand his channel to other creators. So let me look at the last one. Build Hangman with React. And I'm not going to show this on screen because I don't want to get copyright striked. Although on Twitch, everyone kind of does this, so I don't really know how stuff works anymore. I just want to see if he uses Light Theme, because I've been thinking about using Light Theme for the videos. Oh, he definitely doesn't use Light Theme. Guys, this is tough. Oh, the server map has an old build. That might be possible too. And yes, Talos, yeah, that's another key thing. Try to make like multiple users, because in that tutorial, I kind of work under perfect circumstances in the sense that there's only one, or for each user, there's only one active client logged into that user account at a time. Because most like AAA games actually, they keep track of user sessions, which is a little more advanced for that tutorial. I didn't want to get into that. I may cover that down like way down the road, but basically what they do, for example, League of Legends, let's say you log into, I have an account, my username's Chris. I log into Chris and then I get into a game, but then let's say I start a new client on another device, on another computer, because I don't even think League of Legends will let you start multiple clients of League of Legends on the same computer. But yeah, so I go on another computer, I log into Chris again. It'll actually kick me out of Chris on the original device that I first logged into Chris on. And then on the new device, when I logged into Chris again, it'll give me the option, hey, you were in a game, you want to join back? So they keep track of user sessions. So that's why in that tutorial, I just assume that at all times there's not more than one instance of a client logged into an account. Let's see. Want to know why I switched Discord accounts? M1, I'm definitely really interested because you said it was drama, and I do like drama. I'm not gonna lie, I love watching drama lord. That's kind of my like dirty pleasure. Also, I'm just watching through Traversing Media videos because I actually want to know, does everyone just use Dark Theme? Okay, this person's also using Dark Theme. What does the man himself do? I want to know what the man Traversy does. Oh, he uses Dark Theme too. Yeah. I think, yeah, you're right, Beast. I believe that's the same as well with Fortnite. But see, this guy. So I'm watching another tutorial, and this guy's using like the developer tools in Google Chrome, and he doesn't use Light Theme in that. So it's like, man, I might have to convert to the dark theme forever. Should we just do a poll? Yeah, that's a lot of check to be done. I also noticed that you put out a part now. I thought they. So that's a great point, Hal. So part 8, you're right in the sense that it is the last one with coding. So part 9 is literally just SSHing into the server. So like you don't into the Windows. It's sorry, RDPing into the Windows server. Part 10 will be just cross-compiling for a Linux server and then uploading that to GameLift and then making a fleet off a Linux build because that's also way cheaper. And then part 11 will maybe I'll do like a very simple auto scaling policy because right now throughout the tutorial series you kind of gotta manually scale your fleet. And then I might make a separate video on pricing as well. So part 8 is like everything. Part 8 is pretty much the I'm trying not to code anymore, basically. Like major coding cuz like basically no more hour plus videos cuz that was getting crazy, but should I do tutorials in light or dark theme? I don't know if I'll do that. Why not? All right. I think we'll do dark theme. We'll do dark theme. We'll do dark. But I think this is actually where I was looking at. Just makes me really sad. But let me ask you guys this: if you guys use like Visual Studio or any text editor in dark theme, do you use Google Chrome and other apps in dark theme? Like, what happens when you guys go to something that's not dark theme? You know what I mean? Like yes, Reddit has a dark theme. YouTube, I believe, has a dark theme. Facebook has a dark theme. But like, if you go to like Stack Overflow is a dark theme. Like, do you guys just use dark theme for everything? Because my worry is, if you guys get so used to dark theme, then when you switch to something else that's light theme, won't that hurt your eyes? I'm actually now very curious. And also, we're getting off the topic. We should be working on PlayFab. Also, M1. Alright, so someone found my face reveal and they defaked it and showed it in my face. Then someone doxed me, so I kind of quit and... Bad word. So basically, I'm running away from it. The only thing is that the people who did it were people who were resourceful to me and helped me with... Bad word. Alright, then we'll go back. M1, that is like really sad. I don't even know what to say about that. That's terrible. It's one thing that when people do bad stuff to you, but it's another thing when people who you trust do bad things to you. So that is really sad, and I hope nothing else happens after that. All right. Not yet, Pavel. We kind of got off track. We were talking about dark theme versus light theme. Really sorry about that. I'm gonna go on Discord. I'm actually gonna post. I need a reminder to myself. Maybe like I'll put in daily goals. Start doing. Put in. Ooh, that's a great. Talus is a genius. Talus, that's a great idea. That is a great idea. A YouTube poll. Let's do that. When you switch, you simply can't read for more than 5 minutes. No, but I love the poll idea though. What if that actually led? Do you guys think that people actually do that though? Do you think like they'll just click on a video, they see it's the tutorials and light theme, and just click off of it? Because that's actually my worry. Like and that's fine if that is the case. I would rather know, so that like we can do that. But yes, we can do a poll. Would you guys? Would you guys want us to start doing tutorials in dark theme instead of light? That's so genius though. I forgot YouTube community had an option. Alright, what do you guys want to say? Alright, I posted it. Yeah, no, Talos is right. Poll within the video is gone, but you can still make a YouTube community post. Wow. Okay, guys, we got focus. We're getting off track. All right, but anyway, but yeah, and we'll post the. I don't know if Ryan, are you watching right now? Legit. Can you share the poll? I'll do it later. All right, we got focus. All right, so we got the bins. Now we need the libs. Actually, let me go back. No, not that one. Sorry, guys. We're temporarily back on the light theme. So he adds. Dynamic DLLs. I don't know how this works because they're adding lib files. Okay. Okay. Alright, lib files. Yeah, see now my worry is like when I do stuff like that. So I gotta switch like everything to dark theme then. If I do that. But again, like with Chrome, like again, it's if the website doesn't have dark theme, then you can't really do anything about it. I'll do the same with Notepad. Just for you guys, I think we should just change this stream. We should rename it to changing everything I have to dark theme. Global styles. Style configurator. Oh, I know why. What the heck is this? Select theme? Theme. Bruh, this is too... Oh. Obsidian. Oh, man. Oh. Ugh. Okay. Ooh, I actually kind of like that one. Let me go Obsidian again. I'll take it. You get an upvote. You get an upvote. I don't know what happened there. Okay, So you guys say isn't Windows dark theme just the this? Oh. Ooh, I don't know. Do I like that? Okay. All right. That might actually take a little getting used to. That might take a very long time to get used to. Oh my god, there's already 5 votes for Dark Babe. Crazy. Okay. I've converted for the fans. I'm a man of the people. Okay, guys, we gotta get back on track. This is why I can't get any work done. Okay, so Pavel, that's a great point. So they do have a plugin for PlayFab on the client side. And that plugin is basically a wrapper on the Unreal Engine HTTP library. So basically, the nice thing about PlayFab versus GameFab is that PlayFab has the client service made for you. It already has a range of APIs that take in your title ID as a parameter. So they have a plugin for that, but they don't have plugins for the server SDK. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I tried following this tutorial, which does not have light theme. If someone can change light theme on this, there might be something on MicrosoftDocs.com. But this didn't work for me, and I think it's because of the including of these DLL and lib files, so I'm just going to make my own thing. And someone from my Discord mentioned that he also did a similar approach, so I'm going to do that same approach. I just got to figure out... We just got to stay on track, though, because I'm kind of bad at that, as you guys can see. Okay, so that one. Okay, so we got that, public delay loads, DLLs, I don't think we even need this, so this might literally be it. You can. No, Pavel, that's very right. I think the reason we use, again, it's same with Amazon, by the way, you don't need, like, GameLift. You could just use like an EC2 instance on your own. But the reason why we use stuff like PlayFab and GameLift is because like it helps manage your servers for you. And that's why you end up paying probably a little extra, just because like it does work. That I have no idea like how it does, to be honest. Okay, so we did that. I think that's literally all we need. For that file. So yeah, this is gonna take a while to get used to, guys. I'm definitely like, okay, so I need, okay, so there's a couple things I could try for this. Well, I'm just gonna copy this, honestly. No! I had to rename it. I have too many File Explorer instances open. Oh, man. Man, this is weird for me. This light theme stuff. Though you can run... it's interesting, so you should code the server side and some server control yourself then. Is PlayFab simply P2V? No, it does use the Azure dedicated servers. Or I think it's called like Thunderhead or something. Thunderbird. There's so many names for things these days. Yeah, someone else from our Discord and who's also subscribed to the channel, he mentioned like you should just code the server control stuff yourself. It's just kind of outside like my knowledge base, I guess you could say. So that's kind of why I'm not doing that myself, but it's a great idea that other people have mentioned, so definitely not gonna throw it out. This guy, so we overcame. So what do you do about the module stuff? So he did, oh, actually, okay, oh no, that's some regular stuff. Okay, dynamically allow online subsystem null. So they turned on online subsystem. So I guess that's kind of how you know that they don't do P2V. Okay, I should have module, implement primary game module. Okay. Okay. So I don't need a lot of this stuff. I don't need like that. I literally just need these two. I'll copy this. I'll call this G FG SDK module. Void, I'll do G as well for this one. And then I have too many things open. No problem, N1. No problem. Thank you for dropping by. Hope things get better with you as well. Beast loves Lythane. This guy asked in the Discord, hi, I want to make a 2D game. What programming language should I learn? For a 2D game, do you guys have any recommendations for that? You can really go anyway. Bro, Chrome update my theme and it looks bad. Bad word here. Programming language for a 2D game, you can kind of learn anything for that, to be honest. Any like modern programming language, I feel like. Okay, so hello, Bipin. Please make a complete tutorial. Yes, Bipin. I will eventually. I'm sorry it's taking a while. Again, I'm not too familiar with PlayFab. That's why it's going to take a while. By the way, these streams, just want to make it clear, not meant to be watched live. Or sorry, they are meant to be watched live. They're meant to be watched live. They're not meant to be watched like not live, I guess. You're good, Bipin. Don't worry. You can come anytime. Doesn't matter. Depends on the engine. I agree. I'm just gonna respond to the guy. Do you have experience with programming in general? Because that's like the key point, right? Like if you don't have like any experience, I feel like you should first learn like programming fundamentals. All right, for now. The thing is, there is no DLL file to load. Oh, actually, no, that's not true. How many DLL files do we have? That's the problem. We have like these DLL files. Alright, I'll copy all of them. So I'm gonna do like Unity. Unity is a good suggestion for 2D games. I definitely back that up. Lib crypto. Curl library and SSL. By the way, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. What was it? It was curl crypto. I don't know if you've tried it, but Visual Assist makes a huge difference if you're going to invest a lot of time in UE4 C++, but the idea of using is Writer from JetBrains highly suggests. Yes, those are two very good suggestions. Visual Assist, I think I looked at it. I just didn't want to pay for it. And then Writer, I did install it. So like I do have it. I will experiment more with that, I think, offline though. But thank you, I appreciate it. I just want to be careful because like I don't like using paid stuff. I don't like using stuff in tutorials that I don't make people use. So like I don't like paying for stuff that I'll use, but then like I don't tell people about in the tutorials, or I do tell them about, but like it's not free. But I appreciate the suggestion, and I will look at the DMs. Huh. That's funny, Beast. That is funny. So I did curl. But Rider, I definitely will make like a video about it. Or I don't know about video, but I'll definitely try. I do want to make a video about it because I did try it a little bit off stream. It is. Rider is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. That was a product that I was like thinking to myself, when this goes out of beta, I might actually consider buying it. And I've barely used it too, so I was like really impressed. I was really impressed. Okay, so it was. I can get rid of that and that. But I won't hold my breath too much. Not now, Beast. Not now. Not now. So, the good thing about it, Pavel, at least in my opinion, so I didn't really come from a C++ background. I came from just a general programming background. I'm mostly like a Java and JavaScript type guy. But UE4 C++ isn't that much like classic C++, so that is a good point. The engine is obviously you need I would say you need a decent knowledge of C++ to understand the engine, but when coding with the engine, it's not, you don't really need that much C++. It actually kind of resembles blueprints in my opinion. But who knows. Just making sure this is all right. Base, crypto, curl. This is okay. PRB, need to get milk. I agree. True, you need that milk. Need that milk. That was really quick. I was actually very scared how quick that was. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. GSDK. Oh yeah, there's definitely more GSDK stuff here. Ooh. Okay, that's good. That is good. We like to see that. Perfect. Alright, some here. Perfect. Okay, that should be it. For that portion, at least. Missing one end if. Oh my goodness. I'm just too terrible at this. Oh. What a catch by Talus. I'm very impressed by that. Now I'm paranoid. Now I'm going to recheck all of these files. I'm actually so impressed by that I can't even say anything right now. Alright, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I don't know about the dependencies. The dependencies might be, the dependencies might be this stuff. And I'm just like, I don't know what this stuff is. I mean, I put core down, so maybe, I don't know. Okay. Let's modify the project now. So we can get rid of these stuff. So this, we'll edit this in Notepad. Whoa. Also, I'm paranoid, so I'm gonna check a previous project just to make sure I know what I'm doing. Wait, I think they have it here. Oh, they don't. I forgot. They're not using a plugin. If you have it in your folder, it shouldn't be in the problem. It shouldn't be a problem. I agree, Pavel. Yeah, I just gotta, because I don't have this stuff like memorized, so I gotta like just look back at how like, okay, that makes sense. I'm just bad with this stuff, you know. Okay. And then we gotta do the... Oh shoot, what was I editing before? Wait. What? Oh shoot, I was editing this one, wasn't I? And I misspelled it too. Guys, this is what I'm saying. I'm too tired right now. I'm just too tired. I don't get it. I think it's the milk, guys. I think milk scientifically makes you more tired. But it's so good. I can't stop drinking milk. The day I stop drinking milk is the day I can't afford it. I don't know if that'll ever happen. And if it does, I'll be very sad because I probably won't be streaming either. Wait. Oh, okay, he got in. Time to get some rest. You're right. You're very right. You're probably too right. Alright, PlayFab. Talus, I've heard that too. I think that actually has some merit to it. I'm gonna delete this guy. I'm not gonna use that anymore. Yeah, I need to edit this. Too much milk is bad for you. I think that is... No, that is... Well, see, Beast, that's why I asked you guys earlier, what kind of milk is this? Like, what is the source of this milk? Because this is not your usual milk. So you're saying milk is bad for you, which is right, but what kind of milk is bad for you? Okay. So this one... Okay, so I'm not gonna do any of this stuff. Beast, this is almond milk, not from the cow. So rethink what you just said. I'm actually gonna need this for later, so I'm gonna get rid of... I'll keep their other stuff. I don't know what it does, but... Close, Talus, but pretty much on the same track. I'll keep this here. I don't know if this makes a difference, to be honest. Actually, I probably should have done this in the game with tutorials, because in the game with tutorials, I kind of like left the default online subsystem stuff, and that's why you get all those warnings. Milk with whiskey. That would be a weird stream. But yeah, looking back, I should have done this in the tutorials, because like people would always ask me like, "Oh, is this warning bad?" And the answer is no. But they don't know that, and at first I didn't know that either, so. But yeah, I actually wanted to go back and do something, because I don't want to... For the plugin, I don't want to... So it was. All right. Well, I just want to cut that one line. I messed that up really badly. Okay. What am I doing? Yes. So I want to So not only does it exist, but actually I want to see how's this plugin, the game with server SDK, do it. I kind of just want to follow them, to be honest with this. So they check. Okay. So they check it right after. For milk vid. Oh my goodness, Beast, I'm very scared. Let me check the poll again. Seven votes. Someone voted don't care. Okay, we like to see that. What if you only drank milk? I'm bookmarking that. Oh man, I wish this was Twitch. I wish I could just watch videos on stream. But I can't do that. We're gonna get destroyed so hard if we do that. Also, I don't know why they had this. You don't need this. Do you even need... Let me announce that. Beast, you can announce it, but please do not at everyone. Don't think that's really worth it. Nor do I think it's that important. It's more for the memes. I mean, it is important if people actually don't like Lightning that much, which seems to be the case. Okay, so I have GSDK. I'll keep this other stuff they had here. Alright, I think we can regenerate this stuff. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out the hard way. What is this? Connect the... See, one thing I don't like is they connect to the... They do this connect the PlayFab stuff in the startup module, which I don't like. I'm probably going to change that, to be honest, so... Yeah. Because I don't think you have to do that. I'm gonna try to mimic what like the game lift people recommend and like do a lot of the stuff in the game mode class. Because I don't really think you need to do that in here, to be quite honest. I think that's a bit excessive. Alright. Thank you, Beast. I guess I can tweet out the poll as well. Or you know, I'll do it in a separate thing. I'll do it in a separate tweet. Okay. So yeah, in this file, I don't want to do any of this stuff anymore. I think that's not... So now I need to know, like, what it looked like before. I think before it was literally just a blank file. Again, I'm going to try to mimic stuff I did in the game lift tutorial project for PlayFab. Have you heard of subsystems? When I'm done with your tutorial, I will try to migrate everything to a game instance subsystem, which is initialized when the game instance is easy to access. So that's a good question, Talis. I was doing a little bit of that stuff when I was exploring Epic online services because Unreal Engine or Epic didn't make like an official plugin for Unreal Engine, so like other people were, and they were making like an online subsystem, like a custom one for Epic online services. And I haven't really tested with GameLift, but I know some people were having problems with Steam because like there was something wrong with like the net unique ID when you you traveled to the server. Like there was just something got messed up. So that'll be my one warning to you. Be careful when you're traveling when the client travels to the server. There might be some issues with like the unique net ID or something. And I think that's what one of our viewers had problems with, and then they had to disable Steam in order to get that working. But is that the same? Is Game Instant Subsystem the same thing though? I just want to make sure. Also, another thing I don't like about Dark Theme for Chrome is that it looks like I'm always in incognito mode. Not a fan of this. Okay, I don't think it's the same. I think I completely misled you, Talus. I don't think it's the same at all. Is it? Is it the same? No, this is not the same at all. I'm sorry, Talus. I think Game Instant Subsystem is completely different. Is it? I have no idea. Oh, okay. This is like... Okay, subsystems are particularly useful when creating plugins. You do not need to have instructions about the code needed to make the plugin work. The user can just add the plugin to the game and you know exactly when the plugin will be instanced and initialized. As a result, you can focus on how to use the API and the functionality provided in UE4. Okay, this is completely different than what I just mentioned, so completely ignore what I just said. Okay, so this is more like a code thing. Okay. See, when people mention subsystem, I automatically think of online subsystem, and then I think of like Steam. So, I guess the answer is no. I have not heard of subsystems in depth, I guess, when it comes to that stuff. So that is unfortunate. Let's look at this. I don't even remember doing this. Wait, is this in all my projects? Okay, yeah, it is. Alright, then I'll just get rid of all this. I'm gonna try to move all this stuff to the game mode class, because I don't think it should be done in here. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that as well. And then, yeah. And the header file. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna get rid of all of this. I don't think I need any of that. If I'm gonna move everything to the game mode anyway. At least I think I'm going to move everything to the game mode. Yeah, okay. So then, let's just try building it, because I don't even know if that's going to work. Oh, we're going straight to server. Okay. Good for me. Yeah, I don't think I really changed. Yeah, I didn't really change anything else. That was pretty much it. Let's check this poll again. Alright, still 7 votes. I'm in the majority of spoken, so for now. I literally have to change everything to dark theme then. That's gonna be tough. And this is gonna take a while. But wait. Is dark theme good or bad for your eyes? I don't know why I'm so infatuated with this topic. Okay. Dark mode can reduce eye strain in low light conditions. So, like, do I consider this a low light condition? Android Authority. Do we trust AndroidAuthority.com? I'll read this later. Can you move your face cam up? No. I can't. I literally actually can't. Or if I do, that'd be kind of weird. If I move my face cam up, then you're gonna see like my head will go down. I don't know if you want. I don't know. I might have to revisit that. All right, that's a problem. Okay, I'm missing. I clearly don't have FPaths. Why don't I have FPaths? I'm missing something. Yeah, I don't have it. Oh, the OBS scene. You want up? I feel like up would be really weird. I don't think I've seen any. Oh, no, that's not true. I've seen plenty of streamers. That's the one I'll think about. Okay, I'm missing some things right now. So, and I think I know why. You're good, Phil. You're good. Wait, I need to open this up. Almost, Phil. Almost. You actually came just in time, kind of. We didn't really get much done. We were kind of like talking about light theme versus dark theme. I know that. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't very productive. No. Am I missing? I'm missing an import statement. Core minimal. I don't want to do that though. What did you miss? Yeah, I don't even know. Why is it not like Oh, it does have FPaths. Okay, so I need core. I don't really like that. So I need core for that. Alright, we'll worry about that later. Oh. I'm just fixing up some typos and stuff, but I think I got them working. I took your advice. Why are these typos happening? I'm trying to undo stuff I did before. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna try to Phil, sorry for leaving you hanging there. I was just thinking about something. So a lot of stuff they do in this tutorial, I'm gonna try to, like all this stuff, I'm gonna try to move to the game mode class, see if that works. Like the connect to PlayFab agent stuff, like the start, register, health callback, and shutdown callback. In the meantime, I just want to think here. So, yeah, I know that's a typo. Wait, so FPaths though? I don't want to. Hashtag. So, what is it doing? Okay, how'd that go, Phil? Moving it to the game mode. Didn't go too well. Oh, no. Unreal Engine. Oh, so it looks like it is core. Oh, that is... It's part of core, but I don't think I need it. So I'm just gonna... Just gonna close out that. And F platform process. I've already searched it. That's not what we like to hear. Phil. Philip. Phil. Yeah, that's not what we like to hear. I'm gonna move these because I don't even know. It's not what we like to hear, Phil. That's not what we like to hear. All right, we'll give it a shot. Okay. Alright, doesn't like that. And then I started thinking that it makes more sense to have in the starter module because then it can be used for multiple game modes without having to rewrite code. How did that work? See, this is why I don't like Visual Studio, because like sometimes these IntelliSense warnings just don't work. I just don't understand. Okay, whatever. Okay, but let me see. So that is a good point. Okay, I mean, I can do that then. That's not a problem. Let's do it then. Let's do it. That's why you need VA. But Beast, if it ain't free, I mean, it is free temporarily. Okay, so that's true. That's true, Phil. It's very true. It's true. I think especially, yeah, no, that's definitely very, very, very true. I think especially for, I mean, something as simple as this, I definitely agree. Like, you don't really need to rewrite this stuff. At on shutdown. What is at on shutdown? Oh, this shutdown. No, what is at on shutdown? I don't even know what this means. Alright, I'll just copy these. Why not? I agree with you, Phil. I agree with you. I'm just thinking right now. On server shutdown, but I didn't. I guess let me just. I'll shut up and just copy this code. Oh, okay. He made it. Okay. Yeah, this code's a little weird, but we'll make it. And also, I know I'm not copying the hashtag if UE server hashtag NIF compiler directives. Just want to do some stuff real quick. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I just didn't know that. I didn't know he didn't define in the header file. It's kind of weird. I might change that later, but for now, I'm not gonna care too much about that. Okay, that didn't work. This again. I just want to build it. I just want to see if it works. Am I gonna get the same? Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Okay. Well, also this won't even compile, so let me just do that real quick. Well, also, yeah, actually, I might need that. I mean, it shouldn't matter, but. I don't think it should matter at least, because I'm building the development server configuration. Now I'm back to this. We did all of that just to get back to this. That's classic right there. Welcome back, Beast. What if I didn't like... What if I did it like exactly like the Game Lift Server SDK plugin did it? Because they did it a little differently. They did it kind of like this. And I don't know if it's the wisest to do it this way, but... They kind of put the... Yeah, they did like that. So I'm just wondering, like... I just do something similar. I mean, it's literally just one file, so why not? Oh crap, because I deleted it. I know, I'm a pretty messy guy. Pretty messy guy. was that? Also, hold on 1 second. Just want to check something. I know this is really messy, and you guys are probably like wondering, what is this guy doing right now? And honestly, I wish I could tell you guys. Okay, I think we're good. This doesn't work. Okay, I'll try again. I'll check the poll again. Why not? I'm bored. It's not really reactive. Okay, let's try again. I have no idea if that's gonna work or not, but let's not play Type Racer. Dude, Visual Studio always takes way too long to load. Dude, I hate. Yeah, see, like, you gotta wait for this stuff to load up. It's so annoying. Beast, why don't you want to play Type Racer? It's the greatest game in the world. I should be able to do this. I don't understand why I'm not. I feel like I'm missing something. I'll build it again. Why not? What if I just did like... You will just win? Yeah, you're probably right, Beast. Alright, cannot open include GSDK. Okay. Okay, I get that. So that didn't work. I had a feeling that wouldn't work either. Let's go back to the drawing board. Yeah, clearly that didn't work. So in here, I'm just gonna undo some stuff. Sorry, this is really boring, guys. I'm trying not to like focus now ish. And I know like some of my choices right now are like very confusing. Trust me, I completely get why you would think that. Let's try that. Okay, so now I'm just getting these errors again. Okay, I can live with that. I can live with that. I can live with that. I still don't understand why this doesn't work, but I'll just do it again. Why not? But see, this isn't like a... What kind of error this is? Is this? Yeah, this isn't like an actual build error. This is like a... Yeah, it's an IntelliSense error. Okay, so... But I would like some music, though, on the stream. Beast, we can't... If you can get me one YouTuber who streams with music, I will listen. Because I'm pretty sure there's no YouTuber who does that. But see, is that going to change? Because now, see, Ninja I know can do it because he has licensing rights. But now I know Dr. Disrespect is going on YouTube for streaming. I just don't know how it's going to work. So it's all this stuff. So it does work. So this is the exact same error I got from last time. Yeah. So I did all of that just to get the same error. I don't know if it's because I'm using Unreal Engine 4.2, 4.3. Shouldn't be, though. Am I missing a DLL file? I'm gonna add all of this stuff. I don't know if it's gonna make... let's add lib. See, he adds the DLL files to runtime dependencies. I don't know if that makes a difference. I don't know if this stuff makes a difference either, to be honest. Be enable exceptions. SCD namespace problem. You can use NCS sounds. That might be true, actually. Pavel, not a bad idea. First, I'm gonna do that. Let's add some stuff one at a time. SCD namespace problem definitely sounds like it. I'm gonna try that though. Yeah, that didn't make a difference. I knew that wasn't gonna make a difference. And I don't think... I mean, I can try it, but he adds the lib files as runtime dependencies. That definitely won't make a difference because they're static library files. Like they don't get compiled at runtime. That's why I don't understand like why they did that in there, to be honest. But that I don't think that'll make a difference. That didn't make a difference either. So here we are again, back to where we were one stream ago. This is tough because I am pretty lost. I'll Google it. Runtime error is not a member of STD. So I'll just click on it. Runtime error. Okay, so I think I kind of know the issue. Oh, wait, I remember. Actually, Phil helped me with this a bit. I think last time, what did I do? I think I just commented out some stuff. So, like, Slang 78. So, ready for players. Let's try that. I think it's because like the e dot what, like there's something wrong with that. Yeah, but it doesn't make a difference. And now it's like complaining that I don't have the catch block. So like if I did, like if I just do all of this, now it's complaining about the comments. That's what I hate about code sometimes. Okay, so if I do this, it'll still complain. Now I'm going to work on audio assist for my game engine. So it has something to do with this. There's some include statements conflicting here. I don't know if it has to do with this. But basically, I just can't include gsdk.h. And this was a problem I had last time. Yeah, so it's the same thing. So he includes gsdk, huli. Seems pretty similar to me. Maybe I should follow some of my own advice. I'll clean my Visual Studio. Why not? Maybe you forgot some inclusion. Actually, let me open up the project again. Phil, I don't know if you're still here. You're probably not, because I probably like ignored you. But we're kind of just at the same error again. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that in... Hold on. I'll try that. I'll try that beast. I'll try that. Oh, you're good. You're good. So we're getting the exact same error, and then beast suggested something. Is that going to work? We're just getting the same error as... Let's see. Moment of truth. But there's no way that's gonna work. Oh my god. Beast. What a legend. Alright. Beast, how did you know that? Alright, never... I'm sorry, Phil. You can resume. Beast found the issue. Basically, that hashtag include stuff, that all that errors we had last stream was fixed by that one include statement. But now I'm wondering, like, should we keep this as a separate plugin? I think, honestly, I don't even know. I kind of like it as a separate plugin. But I'll do that another time. I don't even know. Beast just saved me right there. That's all I know. What did I do, Phil? I don't even... That's a great question. How did you find that out? I don't even know what the error... The error had to do with this stupid, what was it? The, what was it? It was the stupid thing. Yeah, it had to do with runtime error. So it was complaining like it didn't exist. And then Beast looked up the include statement for it. So now I gotta write that down. Unbelievable. We spent that... My goodness. So I didn't have to do all that. I didn't have to make a separate plugin, but... Honestly, it might be kind of neater, so we'll keep it separate for now. Beast with dropping that C++ knowledge on us. In the GSC. That's actually crazy, though. So do I keep it separate? I definitely... I don't know. I might move it back, to be honest. Yeah, I gotta... Yeah, I don't even know. I don't even know. Haha. It's true, Phil. But yeah, this hash... Another thing I don't like about this, so if I remove... I did not solve it. Pavel Beast solved it, because he's a beast. Another thing I don't like about this... This will work with this red squiggly line. And this is why, Beast, you might be right. Visual Assist might be better. I don't know why it's better, but it's better. Because look, this is going to compile successfully even with this red squiggly line in it. So stupid. But yeah, now I have to think to myself whether I even want to keep this as a plugin or move all this code back to the primary PlayFab tutorial module, or the default project module. I mean, I don't really know, to be honest. I think Philip made a good point. Game mode might not be the best. I guess right now it doesn't really matter. Because, like, right now, obviously, like, for example, the on shutdown and health check methods, that's literally going to be the same no matter what. But, like, will there be other functions that have to be customized for different game modes? I don't know yet. The answer might be yes. But for now, this will do. Actually, I'm really curious. Let me look at what else they have. So they have connected players. So what was it? Microsoft Azure Gaming GSDK Start. So they have Start. So yeah, they have stuff like they have update connected players. They have register shutdown callback, maintenance callback. So that's what I'm saying, like, I don't know, like, right now. Yeah, I think right now I can't make a close call. But I will also take what you just said into consideration, Philip, that there won't be other functions. Yeah, they only registered this and this and then this. Who knows? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, maintenance callback? What is a maintenance callback? Oh, this is probably like a spot interruption, like synonymous to a game with spot interruption. No problem, Philip. Thanks for dropping by. Get initial players. Yeah, I mean... Yeah, I don't really see it. I think Philip has a good point. I think he's right. I think this stuff could be reusable, to be honest. Ready for players. Okay. Yeah, honestly, the more I think about it, the more I'm just like... I'm definitely gonna consider moving this back to the primary project module. See, now I'm upset. Now I'm upset because one, we did all of that work of moving that GSDK stuff to a plugin for no reason, and two, a lot of this code in this tutorial is unnecessary. Like, they definitely have too many runtime dependencies.add calls, and you definitely don't need all these runtime dependencies.add calls for engine classes. So really, it's like you definitely need these, and then you need maybe like 3 of these runtime dependencies.add calls. So, PlayFab tutorial.h. Okay, so that seems good to me. Let's add this now. I'm upset because that was so simple, and Beast is just a legend. All right, let's let's open this up in Unreal Engine, and then let's go with the rest of this tutorial. Welcome back, Beast. Beast, thank you to Beast. You have no idea what you just did. You like, what's that meme where the guy goes like, mind blown. Test this in Unreal Engine 4.25. So I'm definitely, I think after the next part, I think I'll probably upgrade my Unreal Engine. After the next part in the game load tutorials, I think I'll do that. Okay, so he said, using the project launcher. So I've heard of the project launcher. I mean, I've used it before myself. I'm doing that. Don't really have much else. Packaging. Where's the maps? Yeah, definitely need that. Well, I should do this stuff by default for you, but whatever. Okay. It's good for me. We'll do package. Oh, what is it called? Project launcher? Why not? What is it saying? So I'll do it exactly like how they want to do it. Already did in development server, project launcher, add a new. Okay, development, yep. On the fly, by the book. Windows Server, oh, okay, that's cool. Because you can do like multiple. I don't know the difference between Windows and Windows No Editor, to be honest with you. Third person example map. Okay. Battle circle and transition. I don't have these, but okay, so that's a new way to do it. Under package. How do you like the package to build? Package and store locally, I guess. They give you the default one. So this is something I wasn't sure of. It gets like overwritten, right? I might. I'll use the default one, but I'm pretty sure like it overwrites stuff. How would you like to deploy it? Who's here? Beast, I think it's just you and me for now. This is the end game of the stream. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, because I don't really want to launch it. What do they even call it? Windows, client, and server build. Right now it's only server build, but I might change that. I mean, actually... That's very true, Beast. That's very true. Alright, yeah, this is what I need to know. Windows client is the client target with no server code. Windows no editor. Yeah, I didn't make a separate client target, so... That's a great answer, this guy. So we're gonna do Windows no editor. Alright, we're gonna let that do its thing. Okay. Oh, you have to copy all of those. Oh man, are you kidding me? Oh man, that's not good. You got to be kidding me. This is gonna be rough. Oh. Oh, yeah, Discord message. Beast, I know. I was saying the exact same thing. Oh my goodness. That's not good. That's really not good. Oh man, that's really not fun. Is this done yet? Man, it's taking a while. Oh man. Following. Oh man, but I shouldn't. Honestly, I might take a risk. I might skip this step because I don't want to find all these files. No, you're right, Pavel. They're small. It's just that I don't want to go through the process of finding them. I kind of want to just upload this to PlayFab and see how it works. Alright. Wow, this thing for... There was some website with such files. Like what? I guess I'm kind of skeptical, Pavel, of even adding these because Wait, let me go forward to like. There's only one video where you have said a bad word. Video or live stream, Beast? Wow, this is taking forever though. I guess this is the first time I'm packaging it, so I don't know if that makes a difference, to be honest. Also, we're gonna turn off the air conditioner because now it's getting cold again. Oh shoot. That could have been a blooper right there. Did anyone see that? Guys, I gotta get out of this chair, but it's needed for server machine environment. But how does that work though? To run the server anyway? I'll scroll up this code again. Oh, I didn't see this. I did not see this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's not gonna be fun. I gotta change a lot then. In that case, then I gotta rebuild this then. Because I gotta add these things. So I'm just gonna let this build in. Taking quite a bit of time, but so I gotta add like this stuff then. Okay. I kind of understand that. All right. Okay. I understand. I understand. Okay, I understand what these do now. These link the DLLs. Okay, I understand. Beast, I know. He's linking for the most part. Man, I might. We could keep going. Why is this taking so long? This should not be taking this long. Oh, it's building the engine. That's why. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, we can play a game. Let's play some Type Racer. Bruh. Oh, it's lagging. Bro, we are lagging so hard right now. Okay. Yeah, okay. I get what you're saying. The good thing you're here, Pavel. I get what you're saying now. Yeah, because I would have definitely deployed without linking those files. But the thing is, though, I don't know if I want to do that through the plugin, though. I literally might undo all this plugin stuff, to be honest. But I might do that off stream, though. I might do that off stream. I'm too tired for this. Okay. So this is still building. So this is what I'm thinking. So I think no, Pavel's definitely right. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna remove the plugin after this build. After this finishes packaging, I'm gonna remove that plugin, and I'm basically gonna refollow this original tutorial. I'm gonna do it all over again, except I'm going to add that line of code that B suggested in this gsdk.h file that literally fixed everything. Because I think that'll work. And I think I probably will keep this server code, this PlayFab code, in the primary module file. So I'm going to do that off stream. And I'm going to let Beast finish typing, and then for this stream, I'm going to end it, but hopefully by the next time I stream, I have it all finished out. And because I think if I follow this with that line of code that Beast suggests, I think this will all work. And then the next stream, yeah, I don't know if that'll be the next stream because it might be Fortnite clone, but we'll talk about on Discord and Twitter and YouTube as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys next time.